What started off as a simple Blender model then became this. And God is this great. Let's see the progress we've made, truly. So what started out as just basic movement along an XY plane later became that same movement, but with mouse camera control, hard to dodge obstacles, and of course, raycasting. Now, we've come this far, so what's next? Well, I did say I would port this to the Unreal Engine 5, which recently came out, so of course that is in our future. Otherwise, we have much going for us. We still have unaddressed differences on the future of this project. Some do not realize the full scope, the full potential, quite like I do, but surely that will be soon to change. What could be better?